Izaki? Okay, nice. Izaki died. Finally. Oh my god, stop fumbling weapons. No, Yoshi, don't die. Izaki, are you alive? Man, Izaki is muted. Izaki died, probably. I don't know. Guys, this is a huge pace. You should be honored to be here right now. What the fuck? This is what I'm looking for. No, don't bonk.
Come, Guardian!
Nice. Izaki, where are you? You need to look at this pace, Izaki.
Dude, how crazy is this pace?
It's like good.
What the fuck?
Izaki, if I do load file, what file does it select? Or is it like storing another file that I can see?
It will load a file that's set aside.
Okay.
Come,
So it's not
Guardian!
actually touching one of my prepared files.
No,
Okay.
it's only the one you set aside.
Look, Izaki. I'm like 147 into the run and I'm 147 ahead. Do you see this?
So basically, you can just keep on like loading the same thing over and over with
Okay,
the
nice.
recommend.
Nice.
It won't touch any of your files.
Oh my god, I even got this good thing. Okay, this doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Literally doesn't matter.
Wir verlieren das.
Crazy movement, nice. Please get out. You don't want to get out? Man, this is sad. Ratchet. Why are you cringe? Okay, Ratchet, now I'm crying, like for real. Izaki, they patched it. Yeah, like, just, you know, okay. No, wait. It's supposed to go there.
Dude. Okay, it's not. Wait, is this sub 5?
Yes, it is. And did you even pay attention during that?
Come, Guardian!
Dude, no, I didn't.
I fucked up the first turret clip, and I like when you get out of bounds for the actual VR skip. I had to wait the entirety for the turret to despawn. That could have been like 4 3x. Okay, maybe don't get rid of the hypersile right now.
Super Sai. Go.
Okay, doesn't mind. I was scared. I was a pussy.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay,
That's fine.
then.
It's respectable. It's respectable, man.
Nice. Good. Is this the infamous quintuple double again? I mean, I got it last try. Oh no, don't. Give me the... No. Wait, what weapon am I on? Give me the hypersile. I want this. Okay, fuck this, we are going back like this. Skill issue is real? Doesn't matter though. It's fair, it's technically better to buy ammo at the second vendor, right? The X. Why am I I mean, I was even thinking about it. I was even thinking about doing the side flip inputs. What would make me think that a side flip is good here? It's okay. That was so early. Okay, it still works. No, I need this into this. No, it was too soon? What? That's so sad, Izaki. Please long jump. Man. Bad decks. What am I doing? Man, just get up.
It's still good pace though. Let's go. Still fire pace.
Fuck! Can I do this with the Rhino? Yes, I can. Okay, good. No, this into this.
Wait, is my mic?
It's working. I can hear you.
It is. I was scared.
Okay, it's okay. We lost a little bit of time on decks, but that's okay.
The pace is still insane. Oh, dude, no, not. Dude, no. You missed the sub 9.
We missed the sub 9. Boxy next, right? Slumpy, first of all, hey Slumpy, good to see you. Second, thanks for the good luck. Third, I fucking suck. Yo, Torpedo, thanks for chilling, man. Have a good one. Oh my god. Activate the thing.
Fuck you.
That was so good, man.
Can't wait to get that adapter, it's gonna be so nice. Sure, it'll be incredible.
Izaki, I'm doing it. I'm doing some movement.
Let's go.
Okay, I need this and I need this. Alright, I'm here, but for real now. I read your oh my god, for whatever reason I read I'm like out of here right now, for real. Oh my fucking god, I am so mental, I swear to god. I am so sorry, Torpedo. What's up, you beautiful man? Oh my god, I am so sorry, man. I'm so bad at this Twitch thing. Okay, this time the ship didn't respawn for whatever reason. Despawn and respawn. I have to clip that, by the way. It was so
I
good.
clipped it. I clipped it.
You clipped it? Okay, nice.
I put it in your clips channel earlier.
Did you never see that before? Like, you and Franz both were surprised that happened. That was so good. Sorry, Torpedo. I love you, man. Sapupu sounds cute. Torpepi also sounds cute. Man, die. Okay, killed him with the shield. LMAO. LMAO. Can you die, Izaki? Just kill the ships for me. That thread is so hard, I'm pretty sure. What thread?
Oh, the box seats.
Oh, yeah, that is, I think, insane, isn't it?
It's, in my opinion, it's one of the hardest tricks in the fucking game.
In the entirety of the game? Or in like
Yeah,
only half of the game?
I mean, I'm not very good. Like, it's like timing and position based, and it's so specific. It's like think of it like it's like tree, but it's like on crack, and it's impossible. And
Tree, but on crack. Nice.
And there's also insane timing.
Okay, I lost like half a minute on this section earlier. Because I didn't manage to skip the wave, you know?
Like it's
you
so
know,
hard. I tried learning the box seat for like BR, for example, which is like a thing you can do. And that shit, dude, I was on that shit for like 2 hours. I couldn't get it right once. I was not very good. Then again, I spent like hours on like the Clank clips. I couldn't get that shit down either. So. You know, I'm not really the person to talk about that kind of stuff. You know, timing and position.
Yes,
and
timing. Can the troopers fucking fucks actually kill anything? I'm dying here. Like, I fucking died. Izaki, what is this shit?
What?
I died!
Wait, where'd you die?
On the turret mission!
What? Bro, try to not die.
I had like 17 saucers on me.
Yeah, try to shoot them. Like, you should get rid of the saucers. Saucy boys. While you're doing the mission. Like, when you see them in front of you, just try to shoot them down. And then do like the dropships and stuff.
I'm gonna fucking scream.
Yeah.
We are losing time on this mission, by the way. I don't like what I see in the minimap. Man, stop dropping stuff onto my face. Man, all my boys are gone again. On my own again. Wait, how was this so fast? Whatever. Oh my god, okay. Shield. And I'm chilling. Goodbye. Camera, hello. Get out of the fucking truck. Okay, do I have anything left to eat in my room? Apparently not. Okay, guys. Anything you want to talk about? Should we just kick Izaki for whatever reason?
What?
I'm just asking. Balls? You want to talk about balls?
Balls with one L.
Balls. Balls.
Balls.
Let's talk about balls.
Balls.
Are you live right now, Rizaki?
Oh, balls. Live?
Yes.
No.
Like maybe on YouTube or something?
On YouTube?
Yes.
Let me see. YouTube live stream. How do I stream on YouTube?
Rizaki, I have to show you something, by the way. I didn't send you this yet, I think, yet.
What?
Where is it? This, and I'll send it to here.
What's this? What is this?
This is pretty fire, I think.
A Swagra? Oh my god, dude. Oh, dude, and it keeps going. Woo. Oh, it just keeps going.
It keeps going, man.
Oh, but it would have been so swag if you had kept the speed.
Yeah,
And
but I haven't found a
yeah.
way to do that.
Oh, yeah, the hype track in this game is really weird, though. So I guess why. Oh, and it would have been so good if you didn't need the PDA there.
What the fuck do you mean, Musa? Look what Musa just typed.
That's so good. It was really good up until like 20 seconds, and then it's like it wasn't that good. Sorry, but
Yeah, but the start is so fire, man.
the start was good. Oh, dude. Oh. Okay, the ending was kind of made up for it, even though it was slow as shit. You could have used way less PDA pauses, but yeah, the beginning, that shit was mwah.
The middle part is so weird. The trees place so awkwardly, like right in front of the bridge.
Yeah.
I don't know what to optimally do there.
The beginning is like perfect, and then you just suck so much.
Wow. I don't know what the optimal movement would be here. It's such a clean mission 5, by the way. Okay, can I get around this thing this time? What's the ideal movement to get around this thing? Can I just like long jump here? And not die maybe? Okay, I can. Nice. The fuck? Get me out of the crates. We are losing time, by the way. Because of that one death during the ship mission, man. This is so sad. Run number 4 and I still don't know where to go in the laser defense facility. I never saw anyone play Risk. Man, I don't fucking know my way around here, okay? Shut up.
I'm gonna have, yeah, I need to teach you LDF. We just didn't have a file for it then, so I was like, it would really suck to go through all those missions.
Yo, what's up, this mate? Musa, this is my second day running this game, okay? Just chill. Okay? Just chill. Have some mercy.
I mean, it's not. You've played this game before.
Yeah, but any percent, okay, but any percent is not 100%. Man, can I? What the fuck? Nice. First try.
First try.
First.
Oh, easily every 5th try.
Shut up. If Musa was teaching me this, I would have already shot myself, man. I swear to God. Where the fuck is my anything?
Mamma mia, den är ju jumpande plattformen.
Yeah. Then you jump on the platform.
Then you get pizza, pasta, spaghetti. Remember to press R1 on the move.
Shut up, Musa! I was looking for my shield. I was fumbling my quick select again. God, get out of my way. This is not a gold, by the way. I'm sorry to disappoint. I hate to disappoint. And it's another time loss. This is so unoptimal. Oh wait, is it? No, it's a gold. It's a gold.
Come, Guardian!
Oh my god, Izaki, we golded. Fuck you. Izaki, how good is a 308 Blackwater? It's not even that bad, right?
It's very good. It's almost as good as the pasta I had for lunch this morning.
You had pasta for lunch this morning? That's a nice sentence, man.
Wait, what is the word for it?
Breakfast?
No, not breakfast. Like lunch.
Yep.
It's almost. Wait,
Yeah, but-
wait. What was I even trying to say? What's the time of day when you have lunch? Like,
Yeah, like not morning.
it's not morning exactly.
What? What? Stop. Okay, maybe I should find a better position for this. Where's the third one? Oh my god. Wait, what's happening? Zaki's not my friend anymore. Understandable. Aren't there like ships spawning? Where are
Yeah.
the fucking ships? Isn't there like a third one coming from the front?
No, not on mission 2. Wait, you're on mission 2, right?
Yes.
There you are. No, there's not. There's only 2 ships on mission 2.
Nice.
I think the com gold for Blackwater is like 230.
Yeah, I almost got that. Especially
It's not
with
230. It's like 220 or something. But you know what? Having a 3-minute split is pretty decent, considering you haven't really learned any of the real strats.
true.
Like what are just kind of doing it based off some very vague instructions that I gave you.
Oh wait, they're coming from there. Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, this. I need this. Yeah, I'm losing time here. That's really bad. That's such a bad split, man. Oh my god, I should hang myself. Wait, where are we going? Phoenix. It doesn't appreciate the effort you're putting in right now. Man, Izaki, why are you not appreciating my effort? Fuck you.
Wait, what did you say? I wasn't paying
Why are you
attention.
not appreciating my effort right now?
Dude, I'm appreciating it so much, man. Alamusa is not appreciating it at all, though. He's just saying L.
Mission 1 is 3 ships, mission 2 is 2 ships, and mission 3 is 4 ships. Nice.
The only thing I'm appreciating right now was my pasta on this page right there.
Shut up, please. It's a goal.
Come, Guardian!
Minus 420, guys. Are you hyped? We are 420 ahead. Man, this is legit sub 50 pace, by the way. I'm gonna fuck up everything from now on, though, unfortunately.
It might be sub 50 pace, but have you tried getting the world record?
Shut the fuck up.
Aktiviere den Knopf, um das Schild umzudrehen.
Are you good, Isaki?
No.
Ob er wohl
No.
weiß? Dieser Job macht echt Spaß.
Man, that's another gold, by the way. Just saying. Never mind. Unless I fucking fumbled this shit. No, 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 no. You need to die. You need to die, by the way. But it's really good. What do you mean smart? Shut up. Can we ban Alemusa? Why did I fucking mod this guy? All he does is shit on me. Like, for real. He never says like good job, or he doesn't even say GG. You know, when I PB, he doesn't even say GG. But every time I fuck up, he's like smart, or like classic Safi, or like fuck you, or like I fucked your cat, or something like that. Something along those lines, you know? But he's never like good job. Or like well done. Sometimes he bans fucking people in my chat, but that's only when he's like feeling like he needs a power trip. You know?
It's
Yes.
because you didn't like the pizza I cooked for you.
Schön, das sieht super aus, Kleiner. Jetzt weichst du den Lasern aus und triffst dich auf dem Casino-Parkplatz mit den Affen.
What do you mean people? Wouldn't you think that guy from earlier in your chat isn't like a real people? A good people? Can I fucking like hit something?
Oh, I should have taught you Talos.
Yes, you should have.
Oh, okay. Let's make
on
some
the
notes.
thing.
Make some notes here.
Come here.
Talos.
Come here, Scrunch.
Phoenix. Jump. What else?
I don't know.
There's nothing else.
Only a robot has that much time to waste. I think that guy was pretty real, honestly. Watch me fumble this. It would be pretty funny. Wunderbar!
Jetzt kommt das große Finale. Riesen Clank gegen den Terror von Talos. Mach keine Fehler, Kleiner. Action!
Okay, I think that's it.
Genau das will ich sehen.
Man, what the fuck? Get out of the building. Imagine if I was like, you know, paying attention to your words and would actually like try to get him into a corner.
It's not that easy to get him into the corner if you don't know what you're doing.
I mean, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Is he gone? Yeah. Okay, now he's gone. I keep getting stuck there, on those like raiders or whatever the fuck this shit is.
No,
I'm just waiting for a Musa comment on this fight.
it's not Australian. What do you mean native language?
What the fuck? Shut up, Isaki! Why are you against me all of a sudden? Okay.
Safi, you need to play in Italian. It's the best language.
Why is Terror? What is he? Oh, he came back to me.
You need to play in Italian.
Did you
It's
see
the
this, Isaki? Tellus flew right back to me.
I love pizza and spaghetti.
He's giving me another chance.
Wait, you're getting that.
What? Why did he come back to me?
I have no idea.
He felt pity. No, no, don't get stuck. I mean, I'll take the gold. Why did he come back? That shit makes no sense, man. Man, die.
Safi, why are you playing in German? You need to play in the Italian. It's the best language. Oh, fuck.
Izaki,
Yo,
I have just one question.
what?
Why are you?
What do you mean, why?
Just why are you even at this point?
That's not a full sentence. You need to complete the sentence, mate.
Come, Guardian!
Mighty? Schmighty. You need to complete the sentence, Schmighty. When the Guardian comes. Hello, Nick. Sub 48. Okay, do I still know how to do anything here? Okay, I don't have the fucking thing selected. Yeah, okay. Okay, I forgot to do everything here. Nice.
Oh god. Oh dude, stop. Stop the pain.
Okay, nice. That was pretty good.
What are you doing?
Okay, nice. We got it. Okay, here I can just charge, you said. No, here I don't charge. What? No, I go here. Wait, yes, I go here.
Yeah, dude, that was really smart, Safi.
I can. What? I'm never doing your strats again.
That's why I told you to shoot the thing first before you charge.
Oh,
remember.
I'm never
Yeah.
doing your strats, by the way. I'm
It's
never
not my
ever
strats.
doing your strats again.
Not my
Fuck
strats.
all of this. We are going through Ubani casually.
You could just shoot the thing and try it
You
again.
could just shut
and it
up.
would be free.
I am not doing your strats anymore.
We can do the clip at least, though.
No,
So you got pretty good at the clip.
I've already lost enough time. Fuck! Where is my
Also-
shield even?
Yeah, put the shield on.
Oh, you don't say. Thank you.
Oh, no.
Yeah, fuck, man. That's what I'm saying. Did you see my pace? Now my pace is gone. I'm behind. Wait, how do I do this again? Okay. I don't think that worked, by the way.
Yeah,
Just-
you did it wrong.
Oh, sorry for not having the perfect setup after like 2 minutes of practice.
You practiced for more than 2 minutes. And you were pretty good at it. Yo, yes, do the charge. Oh, yeah. that's
And we are
the
losing
best.
time here, by the way. Like a shit ton.
Yeah.
And I'm blaming this only on you. Oh my god. I guess I have to practice this planet. Give yourself some credit, it was 3 minutes. I got the clip like 5 times and Izaki was like, oh yeah, you got the shit down, let's move fucking on.
You didn't do it. You did it way more than 5 times. You got it like 15 times.
Can you die, Melissa?
Melissa, please get my pasta.
Shut up. Where is... I mean, doesn't matter. Look at the pace, Izaki! All thanks to you, I need the bones.
Hey, it's not that bad.
It is! We lost a minute! Man!
Well,
Okay.
it's better to be doing strats and lose time than it is to
No!
be doing
We are not doing
strategy.
strats ever again. I'm doing every planet casually now.
Yo, do you remember Seldrin?
No! Yes.
Yes, you do. Don't lie to me. Actually, we didn't even practice Seldrin really. We did it like once,
Yeah, I did it once.
but it's so easy.
Yeah, it's so fucking easy, I died. Never mind, I
Because
did.
you fucking went. You jumped through the wrong thing again. Like, so
Yeah, exactly,
you-
we did Seldrin once, and I failed it up in a run. Who could have
forgot it.
thought? Who would have fucking thought?
We did it so successfully the first try. You know?
Zur Wiederhandlung wird mit Vernichtung und Bußgeld geahndet.
There you go.
Stop selecting this shield when you are about to die, man. Nice, that's exactly right. I needed the turret. Nice. Man, Izaki, I hate your threads.
What?
Just kidding, they are good. Okay, Izaki, are you ready for the hottest section here?
Yes. I'm
not.
so ready for you to lose like 4 minutes. Right
It's
now.
square and X, right?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. If I'm gonna lose 4 minutes again, I'm gonna scream, by the way. Oh, wait, what?
It's on 1. On 1. Safi.
Okay.
And then go down to 4, press X.
I'm past this point already, like, stop living in the past, man. Fucking hell.
Come,
Yes,
Guardian!
yes, I still golded. Even though I fucked up somehow.
Still golden. Dude, I love the 0.0 second gold. It's so good.
Okay, I can still gold this. I yet have to get this proxy first try.
Lawrence! Please put pasta on my table.
What? What? Shut up. Who did my quick select?
You?
I don't think that was me. I didn't hold L1. Do I have to hold L1 here?
You don't have to, but I like to do it.
You know what? I think this is still gold, please.
Yeah.
Nice. Bonk everywhere, please. It took me 4 shots to kill Clank last time, by the way.
What's a ghost PDA marathon?
They took my thing! Okay, fuck this. I want the backtrack.
Take the taxi.
No, I got the backtrack in my PB.
Those circle inputs? That's not a real thing.
You see how good I am at this?
That's never happened to anyone ever. No. I think you just didn't press circle. IMO. That's just my opinion, though. For real.
No, you fucking mongrel, you fucking piece of a mother. Okay, we're taking the taxi, by the way.
Oh god.
We're taking the taxi, by the way. Wait, what did I even say, you piece of a mother? Is that what I said?
Yeah.
Wait, is this still golding?
What does that even mean?
Is this
Safi?
still gold? How long does the backtrack take? Nah, this is not golden, shit.
It takes like 30 seconds.
It takes like a year? What the fuck, man? It's like pretty slow.
Oh, you didn't press circle, but it registered. What? Yo, you need a better controller, man. Oh god. For real, for real.
I keep losing time on every split because Izaki is griefing me, man. He clearly said go for the backtrack. But for real, how do you mess this up? Like, I got the
No, I said take the taxi.
yeah, but how do you mess up like I did, man? This should not
I don't
happen,
know.
man. Okay, I'm golding the split, by the way. Watch.
The crash side.
Come,
The
Guardian!
crash side god. Let's fucking go.
The crash side god. Can he get sub 138 this time? I think my any percent might have a better gold, by the way. Yo, what's up, Diablo? I'm out of shields! Okay, stop.
Just what the fuck are you doing? Side flip up, bro. No one jumps up that shit. Oh my god.
The hideout god! The hideout god! No, the crash site god.
Yo.
No, I went fucking
No, dude. I was about to tell you to not go.
I went to it. It's gonna crash. It's gonna crash. Shut the fuck up. I was about to call you out moose, so that's how obnoxious you are. Okay, we go to Phoenix, right?
My name is not.
Come, Guardian!
We still golded. We still golded. What do you mean, bro? Shut up, Scala. Shut up, 3K. Hello, Diablo. Just kidding. I love you, Scala. I love you, 3K. You're both beautiful.
Hi, Alva.
You still golded crash site, right?
Yes, I did.
Amazing.
I'm also golding this, apparently.
Come, Guardian!
The crash site last round was pretty good too.
138.
Yeah. I mean, the I hideout. I mean, it was good.
217? No, wait, I didn't even split.
Wait, 217 is pretty bad. Wait, oh yeah, you didn't split. Yeah.
217 is my best, not my PB.
Yeah.
Okay. That went pretty well.
That went really well.
Wait, you told me to do this and be cringe. Give me the shot. No. Stop fighting me, okay? What? Give me the cutscene, please. Nice, that was beautiful. That was fucking gorgeous. Thanks for not killing me. I'm grieving so hard, man. No, thank you.
Where was that, bro? Wait. Mate.
No, fucking stop. No, please. It's still golding, it's okay. we are still golding. This is fine, guys. This is fine. Chill.
Come, Guardian!
We golded.
Yo, it.
What? Are you hyped, Izaki? I still know how to do this, I
I'm
think.
so hyped.
I think
No,
I
you
still
know
know how to do this.
Yeah, yes, you were very good at this.
I don't have a shield, by the way. Is this not a problem?
That's fine.
Nice, I missed like everything.
Very nice. Nice, you already saved so much time.
That's really good.
You're a fucking god at camera clips. I
Yeah,
don't
easy,
understand
what can
why
I
you're so
say?
good.
Like, legit, they're easy.
I've never seen you fail them. You always get the shit first try.
Come, Guardian!
Oh,
Now, Sephi, remember to press down so you don't end up in final rest. Nick, let's meet up in the video. Okay, do I need shotgun and ammo or can I just go through? No, I don't have a shield. I should get shield ammo. For Corvus.
yeah.
Man, Rec 3 already feels like second home to me. Never mind, fuck this game. Fuck this game, man, can I move? Nice, I wanted to long jump, yes.
It's fun learning the harder, better strats though.
You think?
I think so.
I mean, already now I'm struggling to go like forward, you know. Fucking who put all those walls there?
It was me.
Fucking use the rhino to. Oh. What am I seeing? Is this still golden?
God damn.
This is golden. Is this golden? This is golden. This is golden.
Holy shit. Let's go.
Don't go to everything.
Come, Guardian!
Go.
You know what's gonna happen now? I'm gonna miss the sub 50 to command center. I'm gonna lose it here. This is not gonna sub 50. And we both know it. We both know it. Man, get the fuck away from this thing. That's really good. What the fuck? What was that? No, I don't need to do this. I have this now. R2 now? Oh my god. Fucking, why does it mess up with everything? First person mode selects are like fucking garbage.
Yeah. It's pretty weird.
Okay, high jump I guess. Man, never ever do that again, please. Just double jump. No, what are you looking? Oh my god, this game sucks.
Dude, you have to kill the enemies.
Yes, that's what I noticed.
Mate, you're fumbling so hard.
How am I fumbling hard?
You lost like 20 seconds at the end there.
Bro, did they fucking... He locked onto my crate, onto the crate, so I tried to camera clip.
Yeah.
But the game said no. Do you think I can still PB with this? I don't know.
Yeah, no, you can't PB.
Can PB? Should I reset?
Yeah, you should just reset right now.
Should just reset, man. Seth, did the wrong type of SI. Where did you see an SI? Oh shit, intercept. Now I get what you mean. Yes. Wait, no, it's like this.
That's actually fire.
What is fire?
SI.
Skill issue? Oh my god, shut up. Okay, this is a PB. And probably another gold.
That is a PB.
This is sub 50. I forgot to count. I forgot to count. I have to count because auto splitter doesn't auto split here, by the way. What? It doesn't auto split for me here. I'm out of ammo!
Oh, just go into the turret and the drop the ship and just shoot him
What? Where is it? Oh,
behind you.
can this happen sometimes?
Yeah, if you don't aim in the right spot, that happens.